How to disable Passkey on Google on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn off Passkey and go back to using your regular password to sign in. First, open the Chrome browser on your Android device. After that, tap on the address bar and go to myaccount.google.com. From there, sign into your Google account if you aren't already logged in. At this point, tap on Security from the menu to open your security settings. In the next step, scroll down and look for the Passkeys section. Let me show you. Tap on it to open your passkey settings. From there, first verify yourself, and you'll see a list of all the passkeys currently linked to your Google account. At this stage, find the passkey you want to remove and tap on the delete icon or the X next to it. Following this, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Remove to confirm and delete the passkey. Once done, the passkey will now be removed from your Google account, and you'll be able to sign in using your regular password again. From here, if you want to remove all passkeys, go through the list and delete each one individually until the list is completely empty. At this stage, once all passkeys are removed, make sure your regular password is still active. Tap on Password in the Security section and follow the steps to set or update your password if needed. Here's an important note. Disabling passkeys means your account will rely on your password for sign-in. Make sure your password is strong and unique to keep your account secure. And that's it. If this guide helped you disable Passkey on Google, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.